the feudal system itself was once again shattered because of wheat. How? In the early 14th century, Europe got a non-stop rain and cold, causing massive crop failures, including wheat. So began the Great Famine of 1315-1317. Wheat stocks dwindled, prices increased drastically, leading to widespread hunger. The famine weakened the population, making them more susceptible to diseases like Black Death, which struck Europe later in the century. The famine also had significant social and economic impacts, contributing to unrest and weakening feudal structures. Turns out medieval Europe was basically a house of cards stocked on wheat, and one bad harvest could send the whole thing crashing down.